So hello guys, myself is Harshit Kumawat and I am pursuing PGDM Diploma in Retail Management from GIMS College Rohini, Delhi. And in today's video, I will tell you that which specialization you need to take after completing your any graduation degree, and if you want to pursue for MBA, so which specialization you need to take. And especially in GIMS college, which specialization is good for you in terms of good placement, good salary, or in terms of future exposure in your life after completing the MBA or PGDM diploma. So watch the complete video. In the end you will get to know that which specialization is better in GIMS college. So let's start the video without further delay. So before I tell you, ask yourself that which specialization you have an interest. Just keep your hand on your head and close your eyes and ask yourself that which specialization is better for you, in which specialization you have an interest. Then only you go with any specialization with that specialization you have an interest after completing the graduation. So first you need to clear that which specialization is better for you and in which specialization you have interest. Like if you want to go with marketing, if you want to go with international business, if you want to go with general, if you want to go with like any other specialization, you can go. So just ask yourself that in which specialization you have an interest or you can suits in any specialization. So firstly you have to decide that which specialization is suits for you. Then do a market research that in future what specialization will have a demand. Like यहाँ पे मैं example देता हूँ, यदि in the period of lockdown there are a lot of edtech companies like Byju's, Vedantu. I don't want to give a particular name of any edtech companies, but there are edtech companies who are hiring in the period of lockdown also, because in the lockdown their work, the like Vedantu or Byju's का work था कि वो और more and more sell कर सकते हैं students को their product. सो वो लॉकडाउन के अंदर भी उनकी जो कह सकते हैं ना कि रेवेन्यू वो इंक्रीज डे बाय डे हो रहा था, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट्स घर पे रह रहे थे और उनको मोस्टली क्लासेस और स्कूल्स का थोड़ा सा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर नहीं था कि वो इजीली उनको प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं कोचिंग. सो वेदांतु और बायजूस ने क्या किया कि उसी टाइम वो हायर भी कर रहे थे. तो एक आपको आइडिया लग जाएगा कि आफ्टर द लाइक वेन एवर द लाइक जब लॉकडाउन ख़त्म हुआ उसके बाद भी ये एडटेक कंपनीज हायर करेंगे एम्प्लॉय को. तो उसी तरीके से एक आपको आइडिया लग जाएगा कि कौन सी एक एडटेक सेक्टर हो गया, तो ऐसी कौन सी कंपनीज है जो इन फ्यूचर डिमांड हो सकती है. सो थ्रू द मार्केट रिव्यू यू विल गेट एन आइडिया दैट विच इंडस्ट्री और कंपनीज विल बूम आफ्टर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, or from which companies will go from recovery stage to growth stage. So according to that you have to choose a specialization, and the second thing you need to choose wisely the college, because in any if you want to go with marketing in particular GIMS college, so you have to first of all check that in the GIMS college the marketing profile is good or bad. Overall the faculty, the placement, the company visit in the campus for that specialization, and the extra curriculum activities for that is marketing specialization. So according to that you have to check the college review also. And the best thing to check the review of to take the review of any college, just ask to those senior who are pass out from that college. They will give you ground reality that in this college which specialization is better for you. So you will get an idea, a particular ground reality that in this college this stream is topic that which specialization is better in GIMS college. So first of all I will not say any specialization is wrong in GIMS college, but in my case I have chosen retail with marketing. Like in this current scenario most of the business school provide dual specialization, and I have chosen retail management as a major and marketing as a minor. So throughout my 2 year journey, I get a good exposure, and overall all the 2 year journey was good. And in terms of classroom learning, in terms of faculty, because you have to check that in particular college that the faculties are according to that standard or not. So faculties are good, and there are a lot of activities I was learning by doing things. And there are a lot of practical thing is also. So we were learning by practical also to do those of activities. And the second thing, I had an interest in retail only. So that's why I go in retail management with marketing. So in Jim's college, throughout my 2 years journey, I was have a good experience in Jim's college. And if you want to go in your future, like if you want to go in any job for a retail store, or if you want to get a good exposure in terms of placement, in terms of the name of company, and in terms of the number of salary, in terms of learning by doing the things in classroom. And there are a lot of things I can't express into the words. So you will learn by in retail management, and there are a lot of activities which will be happen in the industry. Those activities are done in classroom also by ourselves only. So we did a lot of activities, and you have to you will have a overall good experience in terms of everything. Like in the first year you have to study the generic subjects, and then you in second year you have to choose that particular specialization. So in my case, if I have to suggest any other person, I will definitely suggest that person that which retail management with marketing is good for Jim's college. So this is if you want to go in Jim's college, go with retail management with marketing. It will be more good for you overall, all the you can say overall the experience, or whatever you want to say, that in retail management is good in Jim's college. So this is basic purpose of making a video to tell you that which MBA, which specialization is better in Jim's college. So I hope this video will help you in your future, or if you want to go. And if you are new at this channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon button. Thank you. Good luck. Bye bye.